Hello students, greetings of the day. I am Dipali, Assistant Professor, Department of Home Science, St. Joseph's College for Women. Today, let us deal with the Health, Hygiene and Wellness, Unit 4 on Part 2. Let's discuss on what is hygiene and its meaning. Hygiene means keeping yourself and your surroundings clean to stay healthy. Now, let's go to the importance of hygiene. Personal hygiene is very important because it helps keep you healthy, feel good, and look your best. The importance guides us like prevents illness. Regular cleaning and washing like hand washing and brushing teeth stop germs and bacteria from spreading. This reduces the chance of getting sick with colds, stomach bugs, and other infections. This reduces the chance of getting sick with colds, even other chronic diseases. The second one, boost confidence. When you are clean, you feel better about yourself. It helps you with self-esteem as you feel fresh, smell good, and look healthy. The third one prevents body odor. Bathing and using deodorant keeps you from smelling bad. Sweat, dirt, and bacteria can cause unpleasant body odors, and cleaning helps you avoid this. The next improves social interaction. People are more likely to want to be around you when you practice good hygiene. It shows respect for yourself and others and helps in social settings, whether at work, school, or with friends. Prevents skin problems. Regular washing removes dirt, oil, and sweat that can clog pores and cause skin issues like acne, rashes, or infections. Then the dental health, brushing your teeth and flossing regularly prevents cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Healthy teeth are important for eating and speaking well. The last one, promotes mental well-being. Feeling clean and well-groomed can help you feel less stressed and more comfortable in your daily routine. Personal hygiene helps you stay healthy, feel good, and build positive relationships with others. Let's move on to standard precautions to prevent infections. Let's discuss on hand hygiene and its importance. Use of hand hygiene is the most effective way to prevent the spread of infections. Then, use of personal protective equipments like gloves, mask, and eyewear, from where we can protect any microorganisms, any germs getting into our body. Then its importance. It protects us and it gives us healthcare workers and patients from exposure to infectious agents. Then the third one can be respiratory hygiene or cough etiquette. What is its important? It prevents the spread of respiratory infections through droplets. How can we practice? Let us also become aware from where the sources of infection come to our body. The first one is airborne. Infection spreading through the air such as tuberculosis or measles. Then blood-borne, infection spread through contact with blood such as HIV or hepatitis. Sexual transmitted, infections spread through sexual contact like gonorrhea or chlamydia. The next, oral. Infections spread through the mouth such as gastrointestinal infections or viral infections. For example, they can be norovirus. Environmental. Pathogens present in the environment, example healthcare settings, contaminated surfaces. Let's move on to the signs and symptoms of infections. In our daily life, when we are infected, we need to have the feeling that the signs of symptoms can be fever, chills and sweats, change in cough or a new cough, sore throat or new mouth sore, shortness of breath, nasal congestion, stiff neck. The last one may be burning or pain with you. Let's discuss about the sanitation. What is sanitation? Sanitation refers to the practice of maintaining clean conditions in public spaces, homes and workplaces to promote health and prevent the spread of diseases. It also encompasses a variety of activities such as waste disposal, wastewater treatment, and the hygienic handling of food and water. There are different types of elements that play a major role for the sanitation. The first one, clean water. Ensuring access to clean, safe drinking water, waste disposal, safe collection, transport and disposal of human waste and garbage to prevent contamination. The next, sanitary facilities. The availability of clean and functional toilets and hand washing facilities. Hygiene education, teaching proper hand washing and other practices to prevent disease transmission. Good sanitation is a cornerstone of public health, contributing to the prevention of diseases like cholera, typhoid and diarrhea. Let's discuss on what is sterilization. Simply means making something completely free from germs, bacteria or any kind of harmful microorganisms. It's often done by using heat, chemicals or other methods to kill or remove these tiny organisms, especially in things like medical tools, food or water, to make sure they are safe to use or consume. So there are different types of sterilization. The first one is that physical methods, the second comes chemical methods. So let's discuss what is physical methods. These methods use physical forces like heat or radiation to destroy germs. Physical methods of sterilization use physical agents like heat, radiation or filtration to kill or remove microorganisms. These methods are commonly used to sterilize equipment, materials and environments in industries such as healthcare, food production and laboratories. Then what is heat sterilization? It comes under the physical methods. This method involves using hot air, usually between 160 degrees to 180 degrees Celsius, to kill the microorganisms. The process requires longer exposure times, typically 1 to 2 hours. Even it has dry heat method. The dry heat destroys the microorganisms by causing the proteins within the cells to break down. For example, baking in an oven, sterilizing glassware, for example, test tubes, flasks, instruments that can withstand high heat without being damaged. Let's discuss on moist heat sterilization, that is autoclaving. The steam penetrates the microorganisms, disrupting cell walls and denaturing proteins, killing them quickly. For For example, autoclaves in hospitals to sterilize surgical tools, bandages, and sterilizing laboratory equipments. The moist heat, that is boiling or autoclaving. Moist heat is nothing but this involves using steam or hot water like in a pressure cooker or autoclave at high temperatures, usually above 100 degrees Celsius, to kill bacteria and viruses. It's more effective because steam penetrates better. Ultraviolet light can be used to kill germs on surfaces or in the air. This is often used in sterilizing water. Filtration sterilization. Filtration sterilization is used to remove microorganisms from liquids or gases by passing them through a filter with pores small enough to trap the pathogens. Then, mechanical cleaning. Mechanical cleaning involves the physical removal of debris, dirt, or microorganisms through scrubbing, agitation, or other forms of mechanical action. While it is not a true sterilization method, it is often a crucial step in sterilization protocols to reduce the microbial load before applying other sterilizing methods. Let's also move on to chemical methods. These methods use chemicals to kill germs. The first one is disinfectants. Chemicals like bleach or alcohol are used to clean surfaces. These chemicals destroy harmful microorganisms. The second one, gas sterilization. A gas like ethylene oxide is used to sterilize equipment that cannot be exposed to heat, like medical tools or plastics. The gas kills germs without harming the material. Hydrogen peroxide. It works by releasing oxygen, which breaks down the cell walls of microbes, killing them. Let's move on to chlorine compounds. The chlorine compounds used in solutions to sterilize water or surfaces. Chlorine is effective at killing bacteria, viruses. So let's discuss on disinfection. It is the process of killing or removing harmful microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and fungi from surfaces, objects, or liquids to make them safe. It is not the same as sterilization, which kills all microorganisms. Disinfection reduces the number of harmful germs to a safe level but does not necessarily eliminate every single microorganisms. So let us discuss a certain importance of disinfection. Preventing disease. Disinfection helps prevent the spread of diseases like flu, cold, and infections caused by bacteria and viruses. The second can be cleaning surfaces. Surfaces like kitchen counters, doorknobs, and medical equipment need to be disinfected regularly to remove germs that can cause sickness. Then, in hospitals, disinfection is crucial in hospitals to keep the environment clean and reduce the risk of spreading infections between patients. We also have certain examples for the disinfection in our day-to-day life. That is, the first one, in hospitals, medical tools, operating rooms, and patient areas are disinfected regularly to prevent the spread of infections. In homes, cleaning products like disinfectant sprays and wipes are used on kitchen counters, bathrooms, and door handles to kill germs. Then in schools, desks, doorknobs, and shared equipment are disinfected to stop the spread of germs and prevent illness among students and staff. Thank you.